Hey everyone, we are here at the April 27th, 2011 Rainsville, Alabama Tornado Memorial Site. This is a really nice granite, believe it's granite memorial for the lives that were lost in DeKalb County on that horrific day 6 years ago nearly. I believe today is the 9th of April 2017, and so in a few days it'll be the 6th anniversary of the April 27th, 2011 tornado outbreak. And this is really a special memorial. Very nice work of art here at the Rainsville Coliseum. And if we pan back left, I'm going to look back to the east and show you where the tornado went after it actually hit this building here, the Coliseum, and then it went back to the northeast, as many tornadoes in the southeast move, as you know. But yeah, that's you can still see very sparse coverage of trees back that way. The tornado was roughly a half-mile wide here and extremely violent. Some of the damage that the tornado did just to the northeast of the Coliseum here was extreme. The Weather Service surveyed a two-story, believe it was a two-story brick house that was completely swept away, cleaned down to the slab, and there was a 800-pound Winchester gun safe that was actually anchored to the slab that was swept away as well. And they found the safe with all the contents removed. The door had been ripped off. So this was and here is a list of those that were killed in the immediate Rainsville area. I can personally remember driving through the path of this tornado as much as 2 or 3 years later and just being amazed at how little there was left standing in the path. It was that strong of a tornado. I personally think it may have been the strongest tornado on April 27, 2011. Of course, that's highly debatable, and it really doesn't matter, but it was an incredible tornado. So yeah, that's the monument here. Very nice. Here in Rainsville.